Hey, have you ever heard of millionaires cleaning the waste, opening doors to others, writing down registration names, and taking others' luggage? And even cleaning toilets? Okay? Yes, this is true. This happens in our event, okay, which happens twice every year. It is a biannual event in Penang, Malaysia, where there's a group of brotherhood. Okay, there's a team of millionaires who are mentors to us, who are serving others. Ever thought why? To me personally, I always wondered why are they doing this? These guys are making millions every year, and they are serving this mundane. They're serving others, okay, with this mundane sort of job or activities. Trust me, this happens in our event for a reason. This is instilled in us from our founders themselves. Okay? Because the value system created by our founders is through the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi, who is a corporate icon. Okay? So, the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi is simply inspirational to not just in Indian people, to other countries as well. Okay, people from a lot of different countries are touched by the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. And he said, as put by our mentor himself, this lesson is very valuable, right? In order to find oneself, one needs to lose oneself in service to others. This is exactly the core value system instilled in us, which is servant leadership, service above self. You see, in order to give others service or help, one needs to first raise oneself, right? One needs to have something to give something to others. How can you give or help others if you don't have anything? So, here in our organization, our mentors are taught by our co-founders and our founders, okay, to raise oneself, to become financially free first, and to become better human beings by becoming in service to others. So, here, money is only a byproduct, which is important, but most importantly, you become a better human being. And I always cherish this value in me, right? Which is service above self, rhythm, raising yourself to help mankind. Alright, guys. So, what is the mission that we are working for? It is to create more and more servant leaders so that we can make the world a better place. Let's all work towards that. Even slight change in the mindset will help in a lot of people, okay, to grow and to become servant leaders. Love you guys. I will come back with another video. Take care.